Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode on case study based questions, class 10 CBSE as per the new pattern 2021, we are going to discuss still one more question on case study based questions. Friends, this is the part 14 and we have uploaded up till now 13 parts, and the links of all these 13 parts are given in the description box. You can watch all these 13 parts so that you will come to know that which type of questions will be asked as case study based question and how to deal with such questions. And also friends, in the description box I have provided the links for the study material part 1, part 2 and part 3. You can download all these 3 parts and solve and practice the questions. Now let us move to the question. So here is the question on the screen. In the sports of cricket, the captain sets the field according to plan. He instructs the players to take a position at a particular place. There are 2 reasons to set a cricket field: to take wickets and stop runs being scored. Answer the following questions. Here friends, the captain of the cricket team has set the fielder's position as shown in the figure, and this position is set up with the 2 reasons, that to take the wickets and to stop the runs being scored. And with the help of this cricket player's position, you have to answer the questions given below. So here is the first question on the screen, that if the distance between the points showing the players at gully whose coordinates are 1 and 0 and the wicket keeper at point B whose coordinates are 4 and P, then find the value of P. Friends, here is the gully point, this is the gully point and this is the wicket keeper, and the coordinates of this gully point and the wicket keepers are given. And here in the question one thing is missing, that and the wicket keeper B whose coordinates are 4 and P is 5 units. So this distance between these two is given as 5 units and you have to find the value of P. This value you have to find. So here how do we find the distance? So we take AB. This AB distance is given as 5 units. So AB is equal to 5. So we will take the square of both the sides. So AB square will be equal to 25. Now how do we find AB? AB is square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square, and since we have taken the square, where the square root will not be there, so x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square, that will be equal to 25. Now x2 minus x1, so this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2, then it will be 4 minus 1 and its square, so 4 minus 1 will be 3 and 3 square will be 9, plus y2 minus y1, that is p minus 0 will be p and its square will be p square, so p square which is equal to 25. So take 9 to this side, so 25 minus 9, that will be equal to 16, so p square is equal to 16, and therefore taking square root of the both sides, p will be equal to 4, and therefore the correct option is 4 meter. This is 5 meter. So AB is given as 5 meter and you have to find the value of P, means the y coordinates of the wicket keeper where he is standing. Now move to the next question. Suppose the length of the line segment joining the players at mid-off and mid-on positions be 10 units, and if the coordinates of its other end are 2 and minus 3 and the abscissa of the other end is 10 units, then the ordinate is. Now here friends, it is given that the length of the line segment joining the players of mid-off and mid on. So this is mid off and this is mid on, and the line segment joining these 2 points, the line segment joining these 2 points is 10 units. It is given that this is 10 units. This distance is given as 10 units, and if the coordinates of its one end is 2, minus 3, and the abscissa of the other end is 10, abscissa means x coordinate, and you have to find the ordinate, that is y coordinate. Let that y coordinate be p. The same way we have solved in the previous question, you have to find the y coordinate of the mid off position. X coordinate is given as 10, and so here let A be 2, minus 3, and the B point will be 10, P, and the distance between these two is given as 10 units. So AB is given as 10 units. So AB square, that will be equal to 10 square, that is 100. Now we will use the distance formula to find the distance AB square. So x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 bracket square, that will be the AB. So AB square root will not be there. So x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square, that is equal to 100. Friends, you don't need to write this formula because this is 1 mark MCQ type question, so you can do directly orally also, but here I am writing to explain you. So here x2 minus x1, so that is 10 minus 2, that is 8. So 8 square will be 64, plus y2 minus y1, that is p minus 3, that will be p plus 3 bracket square. So p plus 3 bracket square, which is equal to 100. And so this, if you take 64 to other side, or first open the bracket, so it will be 64 plus p square a plus b bracket square, p square plus 2ab, so it will be 6p plus b square, that is 3 square will be 9, and which is equal to 100. And therefore 64 plus 9, that is 73. If you take 100 to this side, so 73 minus 100, that will be minus 27. So it will be p square plus 6p minus 27, that is equal to 0. And so we will solve this quadratic equation by splitting the middle terms. So the factors will be what? X plus 9 and x minus 3. You should learn to write the direct factors, which is equal to 0. So x will be what? X will be minus 9 and x is equal to 3. So x is minus 9, x is equal to, sorry, this should be p. So p is equal to minus 9 and p is equal to 3. So we are getting two values of p, that is minus 9 and 3. So the correct option will be the B option, minus 9 and 3. So tick the second option, that is B option. Now move to the next question. If the points 4, 3 and x, 5 are on the circular field of the center with the center 2, 4, then the value of x is. It is given that there are 2 points on the circular field. One point is, let that point be A. So A is 4, 3, and there is another point B whose coordinates are x and 5, and the center is given whose coordinates are 2, 4, and we have to find the value of x, that is this x coordinate we have to find. So here the AC will be a radius, and this C, let this point be B. So BC will be also a radius, and therefore these two distances should be equal because both are the radii of the same circle, and therefore AC is equal to BC, and so AC, which is equal to BC. and taking square of both the sides, you will get AC square is equal to BC square, because when we find distance, when we use the distance formula, there will be a square root. So to remove that square root, we can take AC square plus BC square. And so here, friends, it is AC square, that is x2 minus x1 bracket square. So x2 minus x1, AC is this. So x2, that is 4 minus 2. So that will be 4 minus 2 will be 2, and 2 square will be 4, plus y2 minus y1. So that will be 3 minus 4. This is 3 minus 4. That will be minus 1, and its square will be plus 1. So 4 plus 1, and which is equal to BC square, that is x2 minus x1, that is x minus 2 bracket square, x minus 2 bracket square, plus y2 minus y1, that is 5 minus 4, that will be 1 square will be 1. So this will be 4 plus 1, 5, which is equal to, this will be x square, correct, x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 1. So this is 4 plus 1 will be 5. This 5 and this 5 will get cancelled, and it will be x square minus 4x, which is equal to 0. And so x will be the common factor. So inside the bracket, x minus 4, that is equal to 0. And so x is equal to 0, and x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 4. So you are getting the values of x as 0 and 4. And so friends, here the A option will be the correct option. The value of x is 0. 4 is not there, and therefore only we will take this one value, that A option will be the correct option. And now friends, here is the another question, and that is yours for yourself. So test yourself by giving the answer correct option of this question in the description box. So the coordinates of the point on x-axis which are equidistant from the point representing the player at cover, whose coordinates are minus 3 and 4, and mid-wicket, that is Q point, whose coordinates are 2 and 5 are. Now friends, here it is said that the coordinates of the point x which are equidistant from the point representing the players at the cover, the player at the cover here, and the mid wicket, and the mid wicket, where is the mid wicket? This is the mid wicket, correct. And it is said that representing the players at cover, this whose coordinates are given to you, and the mid wicket whose coordinates are given to you, and there is one point x, there is one point x, and that point is at equidistant from this cover point and the mid wicket point, and you have to find the coordinates of this point. Let that coordinates be x and y. Suppose this is A, this is B, and this is C. You have to find the coordinate of the C point. So friends, answer this question, write your answer in the description box, and so that we will come to know whether you are understanding it or not. And if you have any problem, be free to ask me through the comment box. So friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.